And good day. Today we're looking at this. It's a Joytutus Car Humidifier. So we'll have a quick look at the box. Not a lot to look at it on it. We'll just open this up. Oh. There we go, got it open. Nothing else in the box itself. Whoops! Knocking things down. We'll put that aside. Oh, that's the story of my life. And that's what it is. So, yeah. Oh, that opens. What do we got in here? A few bits and pieces. I'll have to have a bit of a read of the instructions and see how this thing works. And this is everything that came in the box. We've got the car humidifier, there's a drink coaster, an instruction manual, a little bit of info on what to do and what not to do. We've got a USB-C to a USB-A cable, an Allen key. There's two little sponge sticks in here. So we'll go put it together and see what it's like. And you just open the top by sliding it over. You grab the little flexible coaster, just drop it in there, swing it back. Now that's a little compartment. You can put all sorts of knickknacks in there and use it as a drink, cup or whatever, cup holder later on. Now the top itself unscrews. You've got two different water reservoirs in here, so that's rather interesting. On the top, you've got a couple of jets that come out, so depending on which reservoir is full, it depends on what you obviously get out. Around the side, you've got the USB-C charging port, and there's an on-off button on the top, which we will activate once I get everything set up properly. Now I'm about to plug in the power, and as you can see here, there's a little red light comes on, and that will go off and it will turn green when it's fully charged. We'll come back once, obviously, it's fully charged. And a bit of time has gone by and you can see the little light has turned green. So we're now fully charged. We'll go and put this thing to the test. I've got the Joytutus Car Humidifier. We're going to pop it in the drink, area there, which it fits in perfectly. We're going to unscrew the top, and I've got some water here which will top up, so we'll fill up two little containers. We've got the center one. I'm not going to fill them right up. You've got a marker in there, so it tells you where to go, and we've got some essential oils, so I'm going to be putting some of that in. We'll do 2 drops in the center one. Come on, out it comes. There it is. 2 drops in the center, and we've got a different oil, and we'll two in the outer. There it is, 2 drops. So we'll screw the top back on. So to activate it, just touch it gently. It beeps once. We've got one side coming out here. Press it again. We've got the other side coming out, and you can put your hand over the top to activate it. We have 2 modes. One is continuous and one is intermittent. And again, you just press the button. I just love the way this thing works. Double click, and we've now got intermittent. I'm having fun with this. Double click again, we swap over. I'm still learning how to get this thing to work. Swap on that side, double click. That's intermittent. Press it once, it should go to the other side, which it does. This is unreal. So much fun. And it smells good too. Whoops, I nearly forgot. One other little feature about this car humidifier. You just simply rotate it out of the way and you've got this little storage compartment. You can put anything you like in there, keys or whatever. I happen to store Tic Tacs in there. I like my Tic Tacs. And you simply close the lid again and it's nice and secure. Another feature with this little car humidifier, you don't have to use it in the car. I've brought it inside, it's right next to my computer. Yeah, look at this. I love this thing. You've got a bit of mood lighting that appears. There it goes. It's breathing, as they say. And you press the button once, pops over to the other side, which is great. And you put your hand over, turns it off. Put your hand again, starts it again. Double click, and it now becomes intermittent. So, press it once, pops it over to the other side. I've got the setting on continuous, and well, we've got a really nice LED display. I wasn't expecting this at all. So it's rather nice, and after a while it'll switch over to this breathing mode. You'll get a beep and a red flash for a low water warning. When there is approximately 10% battery life left, the buzzer will sound 3 times. And when battery life is approximately 5%, it will sound 5 times. So you get plenty of warning before you get a dead battery. The battery will last for around 4 hours and takes approximately 1.5 hours to recharge. I think this car humidifier is a great device to have in your car. It actually gives you a nice fragrance and makes the car smell nice and fresh. Plus, you can bring it inside and sit it beside your computer and still continue to get the essence from it, as they say. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching my video. Please consider giving me a thumbs up, thumbs down, either way doesn't matter. Leave a comment, I'd appreciate that. And if you haven't joined, consider pressing that little subscribe button. I'd appreciate that even more. And hopefully I'll get to see you on the very next video, whatever it happens to be. All the best till then. Bye for now.